Hi there, Discover JR. Watkins Trigger Spray Foaming Dish Soap, crafted clean and cruelty-free with a refreshing lemon scent. This dish soap is gentle on your hands but tough on grease and grime, using plant-based cleansers without harsh chemicals. Its new pump design creates a rich foam that easily spreads onto your sponge for convenient cleaning. The well-balanced lemon fragrance leaves your kitchen smelling fresh while removing stubborn food deposits effectively. Inspired by nature, this soap avoids irritating parabens, dyes, and phthalate, making it safe for sensitive skin. Proudly made in the USA and certified cruelty-free by Leaping Bunny, it reflects over 150 years of trusted quality. Experience a powerful clean with a conscience that cares for your home and the environment. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.